5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Go 150. Then care, very narrow 4 left, 150. Crest 100. 6 right 100. Then 5 left 100. Then a deceptive stays straight, right over crest, 250 line. To a 6 left, very long, tightens to 5 long. 350 line. So this is going to be 350 line. To a care, 4 right off, drops hard, 80. Then 5 left, stay rightish over long crest, 150. Then 5 plus right, 150. And then there will be the deceptive right ahead. So it's a care, 4 left, tightens, immediate switch, 3 right. 250. This is 250, straight through junction, brow, 150. Then caution, braking setup at crest, quick, 3 minus left. 200. After 200, it's set up, crest, quick, 5 right, drops. And care, left over brow, 4 right narrows. 50. Then crest, quick, 5 plus right, very long. And then keep right over the gate, 200 line. So keep right over the gate, 200 line. It gets loose from here. 4 plus left, very long. To a care, short 5 right, mailbox, apex, immediate 3 left. 100. To a 5 plus right, very long, tightens to 4 at the gate.
Whoa.
It's going to tighten at the gate, so careful here.
Yeah.
And late turn, 2 minus left. Gate, 80. Then 4 minus left. And 4 right drops. And 3 minus left, tightens to 2. 100. Then crest, tidy over bridge. So crest, tidy over bridge, late 3 right, tightens to 2.
Ah, fuck.
You're okay.
No, we messed up. That's okay.
Keep left over gate, crest, quick, short 4 left. You still have to pay attention.
Yep.
150 line, 2 right. 80. Then 4 plus right, and loose 3 left long, tightens hard. Quick 6 right. Then 350, line over 2 brows. There's a car up on the left, they're okay. And then at the 3rd brow, it's a setup, short 4 right. Quick 3 left drops, tidy. This is tidy over bridge, rough, sorry.
Yep.
And then quick short 3 right over gate, quick 5 left.
Ah, fuck.
You're fine.
I messed up a bunch of stuff there. Oh, fucking A.
You put too much pressure on yourself.
I know, we didn't get that one. I just, you know. Ah, fuck. It's okay. Yeah, you know, I could have done better, that's all.
Oh, everybody can do better all the time.
All right, good job.
Yeah.
Finish your first rally.